Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make Bagdoonsyah or parsley sauce. It's a very delicious sauce, easy to prepare, and you can eat it alone or as a side dish. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna start with our ingredients. I have here bunch of parsley, 3 big spoons of tahini sauce, 2 big spoons of natural plain yogurt, 1 lemon juice, 1 chopped garlic cloves, some salt, and finally a cold water. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our sauce. First we're gonna have to chop the parsley. Second, add the tahini sauce in the lemon juice, mix it up. Then add over it some water as needed to dissolve the tahini. After that, in a food processor, put half of the parsley that we chopped before, add over it the tahini sauce that we dissolved before, the yogurt, the garlic, the salt, and mix all together. After you finish, put the mixture in a plate, add over it the rest of the parsley and 1 big spoon of tahini sauce, mix all together, and that's it. My friends, this is our sauce, parsley sauce or Bagdoonsyah. You can eat it as a side dish with the kebab, the shish tawook, or with the fish, or you can eat it alone with the bread. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and bon appetit.